Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove any background noise in your voice when you are recording. So let's get started. This is my mic. As you can see right now, if I stop speaking, the mic is not moving at all when I stop speaking. So how to do that? First, go to your OBS studio and go to settings and go to audio. On audio, go to mic and auxiliary audio. Select your correct mic from here. You may have more than one mic, like you have your external mic and you have your headset mic. So it just might be you are recording with your headset instead of recording with your mic without knowing. So select your correct mic from here. After that, go to Windows settings, search for control panel and go to sounds. Just click S on your keyboard until you find the S sounds. Go to recording and select your mic from here. This is my microphone that I'm using right now, so click on it and go to levels. When you go to levels, you will have your microphone level from here and you may have your boost from here. There will be an option to boost a meter just like this. On your boost, don't make it pull to 100 or something, just leave it at 30% or 10%. Don't make it very high so it doesn't capture any background noise. Make the microphone level up to 90 or something and the microphone boost make it on 20 or 30. Now let's go our OBS studio. I'm going to add a new mic right now. So add audio input capture. Okay. I'm going to select the same mic. So as you can see right now, I'm recording with two mics. I'm going to mute this. So right now this is the same mic. It's the same mic that I'm using. But without talking, you see this parameter is moving really high. And on my mic, it doesn't move at all. That's because I have applied some filters. So we are going to copy the same filters from this mic to this mic. So select your mic from here, click here and select filters. Click on add and select noise suppression. Okay, so as you can see, just by adding this filter alone, it removes all the noise. As you can see, it doesn't move at all when I'm not talking. And if I disable that, you see it's moving a lot. So just add your noise suppression from here. You can make it automatic like this, or you can select this one so you can increase your suppression level. But for me, I find that to work best on the normal, just like this. This is my normal mic right now. My noise suppression, I just leave it on automatic and it works fine without any problem. You can also add a noise gate. But when adding this noise gate, this might make it remove some words when you speak. For me, I've tried this noise gate. As you can see right now, you will need to change the settings and just on it, I just add the noise suppression like this and make it on automatic and it's working fine for me without any problems. And these are the filters that I apply to my voice. So if I close this noise suppression right now, just like this, you see the noise increases a lot from here. So I'll just enable it again. Without any problems, it just removes all the noise without needing to adjust anything. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you find it helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys next time.